Hi guys, this is Josh Tech here, and for today's video guys is we are going to unbox and do our initial review of the M7 Smartband. Let's go. Hey guys, this is Josh. Welcome back to our channel. And yes guys, we have here another Smartband. This is the M7 Smartband guys. Okay, so as you can see, it really looks familiar because it's almost the same or a clone of the Xiaomi's Band 7 or Mi 7. Yes, okay, and I got this one guys for around $4 at Shopee, and if you want to check this one out, just click the link on the description box. Okay guys, so this is the packaging of our M7 Smart Band. So as you can see here, there is the image of the band in the middle. Okay, and on the left we have here some specifications. So it says they're water resistant, but yes guys, this is not a water resistant smart band. On the right, so it says here 0.96 crisp and clear full AMOLED display. Let's check on that one. And then also blood oxygen saturation monitoring and so on. Okay, so without further ado, let's open it guys. Okay, so here is the inside of the box. So we have here the manual. So if you have any questions guys, just refer to your manual. And then we have here the charging cable. So it will actually just place this one here, and it's magnetic guys, and it will charge. And we have here the strap. So I have here the one in like sky blue, okay, or mint green. Okay, and here is the band itself. So let's take this one out. Okay, so as you can see guys, it's almost the same as the M7 or M6 and M5 smart band that we had before, and it feels really light. It's made of entire plastic, I guess. And yes, it is not AMOLED, so it is just plastic. And at the back, so we have here the sensors and the charging pins. Okay, so now let's turn it on guys. As you can see, we have here the home button, so let's just long press that one, and then it says there hello. Alright, and we have here the familiar watch face. Yes, this is what the Mi Band watch face looks like as well. So in here we have this kind of watch face, and it's like in an analog style. Then let's tap the home screen guys to check the application. Okay, we have here steps, so let's long press the steps. So we have here kilometers and kcal, and then okay, let's go back, and then we have heart rate. Okay, so as you can see guys, the sensors are lighting up, and you will be given the blood pressure and the SpO2 and the heart rate. But guys, as I mentioned, this is only for reference, and I don't recommend you to use this, especially if you have a medical issue. Okay, and then we also have your sports. So we have running, skipping, sit up, sports, yes. And then we also have your message and sleep monitoring as well. Then weather. For the weather, let's check on this one here. Okay, we have there the weather. So you need to connect this one to the application. We have music. Okay, music control. So you can use this one to remotely skip a song on your Spotify. Yes, and then let's tap on more. We have your camera, looking for, and theme. So let's check the theme. 1, 2. Okay, we only have 2 themes here guys. 1, 2. Yes, and reset and download. Okay, and power off. Okay, so let's try to put it on the strap. Okay, and wow, it looks really premium guys, but this is just a counterfeit, or more, it's just more like a clone guys. So I will wear this one. and voila guys, it looks nice. Yes, and it feels really lightweight. Yes, and if you at first glance, you'll never know that you're wearing just the clone or the Xiaomi band look alike smart band. Yes. Okay. And I will be testing this one, guys, for a couple of days or 1 week, and I will let you know the result or how it functions in these coming days. Okay, and then if you have any questions, guys, please feel free to comment down below. And if you like this video, guys, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing to our channel. And guys, yes, for me this band, it's worth the price. Yes, it's only for around $4, and for $4 you can get a smart band. Yes, it looks really fashionable if you are not really into those quite expensive smart band in the market. All right, guys. So yes, once again, this is Josh, and I will see you on our next video.